Hey folks, Be More Night coming at you again with another high alert video. Now, this is reporting from Infowars.com. Obama has been given the kill switch to the entire internet. Now, what this is everybody gets the little alerts to their phone when there's like severe weather warnings and missing children. Now that instead of that just being something controlled locally, it's going to be given to the federal government. That power over your cell phone is going to be given to the federal government. Now, President Obama can stream messages directly to your phone, but this is nothing new. This has been in the workings for years now. Here's a report from CNET from 2011. Controversial bill handing President Obama power over privately owned computer systems during a national cyber emergency. See, that's in quotes. National cyber emergency. This is the end of net neutrality. We already seen them trying to bring stuff in like with SOPA and CISPA. This is just another incarnation of those bills, given just absolutely totalitarian draconian powers to President Barack Obama. And it just goes on and on. Here's the Huffington Post and Washington Times. It's just all the same thing over and over and over again. This is the end of net neutrality. And once they end net neutrality, videos like this will no longer be available. You will only get White House propaganda. People, the internet is like the First Amendment on steroids. You can literally find, there's an endless wealth of information on the internet, and once they get control over that, that's it. That is it. Once they control our information, they can control our minds. And having control over the alert system is pretty much having control over your cell phone, because I don't know about you guys, but I have an Android. And when those alerts come over my phone, they got the loud blaring warning sirens, and it could be the same storm, and I could get 4 or 5 different messages. People, this is a red level alert. The end of net neutrality is the end of 21st century free speech. Now the federal government has control over our internet, and people, believe me, they will start censoring content. They already do it. A lot of users get blocked off YouTube. A lot of people say videos they try to watch get blocked depending on what kind of content it is. And the First Amendment is to protect political speech the most, because that's the most important thing. To be able to dissent against the government. If the government is doing something that the people doesn't agree upon, that's the reason for the First Amendment, to dissent against that. Now, once they take the First Amendment, all we will have is the Second Amendment. And that's what the government is banking on. They want a violent confrontation in America. You see it with the NSA spying on everybody. You see it with the militarization of the police. You just see every way you turn around is just flaming authoritarianism, and it's striking us harder and harder each time because people are not stepping up to the plate and speaking out. They're not organizing their communities, and they're not taking back their state houses, and they're not taking back their elected local officials to speak out against this tyranny. We can't keep going through this. We gotta get rid of this system. We gotta get out of this system, or this system will destroy us and it will finish off America once and for all.